Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 8:30 in the morning and I got all ready to go get some veggies because I need to cook today. And also people might be laughing at me here. I'm wearing a sweater, but I'm wearing it not because it is cold but because I'm welcoming winter. You know what I mean? People, those who get me will get me. The veggies are secured, and let me tell you a story. I woke up all early in the morning just to get bak choy from the market. And if you guys know, and also I had to put my glasses on because I'm literally blind without it. Yeah, so where was I got up early just to get bak choy from the market because it's hard to get bak choy. Blinkit maybe वो out of stock रहता है most of the time, and even in the market it's really hard to get. So यहाँ एक शाम को एक शॉपकीपर बैठता है, so he always sells bak choy. So I thought, what if I just wake up in the morning and get bak choy? And but sadly the shopkeeper who sells bak choy वो बस शाम को बैठता है, सुबह को नहीं. So I had to get mustard leaves instead of bak choy. So I'm going to cook mustard leaves and bak choy today. I don't know if it will turn out good because I don't know how to cook like my mom, but I'll try my best. Just got back from the cafe. I went there to journal, and I have my new journal. It's cute and everything, and let me tell you, journaling really does help you. It really helped me in so many ways. I don't care if you're going through shit, just journal. Because I remember I used to pretend like that girl when I was not even that girl, but now I feel like I'm really becoming that girl. Like I wake up, I read a book, and then I journal for at least 5 minutes, and I don't go through my phone, and I feel like journaling really helps. That's all I can say. And what else? Let me give you a life update. I came back to Kolkata to spend the winters here, and I hope यहाँ ठंड होगी, and I hope that I'll have a fun winter in Kolkata. And that's all. There is nothing much happening in my life. और जब होगा मैं बता दूंगी. And now I have to go and cook because I have to cook. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, does this ever happen to you? Sometimes I'm like, oh my god, Dodere, you're such a good cook. And sometimes I'm like, kya hi bana diya maine? And I feel like I can cook really good chicken. Took a little nap after my lunch and took shower, and then now I have to either I'll read a book or I'll just watch some YouTube videos. And I'm in my balcony. The sun is shining. It's beautiful. God is great. God is good. And in the evening, I have to hit my 10K steps. So yeah, see you guys there. It's the next day. I'm on a walk, and I just walked past a school, and I guess they were having their physical education classes. The kids were playing basketball and volleyball, and I was like, I wish they knew that they're living the best time of their life, because honestly I would do anything to go back to school, like legit. And when I say school, I don't even mean the classroom, or I don't even mean the books. I just miss the corridors, just running around in the corridors, my sports classes, all the games time, all the inter-school tournaments. Oh my god, those were the days. I'm gonna make breakfast now. I'm gonna make spinach with eggs, sweet potato, and then I'm making chai. Here is my morning chai. It's already sunny now, but it's windy. Beautiful weather with a chai. इतना गंदा धूप है, but I came out for lunch. I'm confused what to eat. I actually came out to deposit money on the ATM. और मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया है ज़िंदगी में. घोड़ा मेरा पीछा कर रहा है. And I always end up in this mall, and I'm not happy about it. They should just break the mall and turn it into a museum or something, because I'm done with Axis Mall. This is literally my second home. My food is here. Oh my god, can I tell you guys how dumb I am? Let me take a deep breath first. Like, I cannot be this dumb. I do not believe this. But what happened is, I went to deposit money. मैंने कभी ATM में पैसा डिपॉजिट नहीं किया है. मैंने पैसा निकाला है, but never deposit. तो मुझे लगा, it's so funny. I'm ashamed of myself. It's embarrassing. तो मुझे लगा कि जिस ATM में 2 ATM मशीन है, उसी में डिपॉजिट होता है. एक निकालने के लिए, एक डिपॉजिट. मुझे नहीं पता है कि कोई भी ATM में हो सकता है डिपॉजिट, क्योंकि स्क्रीन में दिखाई देता है ना डिपॉजिट. कुछ मुझे ये सब नहीं पता था. और मुझे लगा कि जो भी ATM में 2 ATM मशीन होगा, मतलब उसी में एक डिपॉजिट, एक निकालने के लिए. एंड मैं 3 ATM चेक किया, तीनों में भी नहीं है. सो आई केम बैक एंड आई कॉल. मैंने घर पे कॉल किया, एंड देन आई गॉट टू नो कि कोई भी ATM मशीन में हो सकता है, बस स्क्रीन में आना चाहिए कि डिपॉजिट. ओह माय गॉड, आई एम सो डम. इट्स ओके, वी लर्न फ्रॉम आवर मिस्टेक्स. Do you guys want to see Kolkata, just in case if you think Kolkata is all about the yellow taxis, this is also another yellow taxi, upgraded version of the heritage taxi. And this is ये क्या था, park, what was this called? But I don't remember, it's too hot, I don't remember. I'm under the subway. Can you guys imagine that? मेरे ऊपर कितना सारा गाड़ी चल रहा होगा, मेरे ऊपर कितना सारा गाड़ी जा रहा होगा. How cool is that? And the reason I came here is because there's a woman जो रिसाइकल वाला क्लोथ्स बेचता है, कपड़ा, और मुझे वहाँ से पैंट लेना है. और मैं खो गई, यहाँ कोई नहीं है. किधर से जाऊँ? आई डोंट नो वो कहाँ शॉप लगाता था, कहीं तो लगाता था, और मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है. एंड इफ द एस्केलेटर इज नॉट वर्किंग, आई स्वेयर टू गॉड इट्स वर्किंग. थैंक गुडनेस इट इज वर्किंग. I got one of the pant. Thank you. Bye bye. Huh. Got my pant and I have to alter it because I'm turning it into jorts. And isn't it so cool? She sells everything for 50 rupees. None of her clothes are more than 50 rupees. And of course it's thrifted. But also at the same time it's so cheap. And मुझे लगता है मैंने उनका इतना कपड़ा खरीद लिया कि मैंने उनका सारा अच्छा कपड़ा ले लिया. It's the next day because I was busy these past few days. I was spending time with my friends and I went to visit them and बहुत कुछ हो रहा था. Okay, forget it. Today I need to do a bigger work and I am not at all excited for it. क्यों करना है ये सब? बड़ा ही क्यों होना था? Also I need to go and got I was gonna say go and got groceries. I need to go and get groceries क्योंकि groceries इतना जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है and अगर मैं इसको ज़्यादा दिन के लिए स्टोर करूँगी तो ख़राब हो जाता है. I don't understand the logic. But yeah, I think I need to get ready. This is the only exciting part of my day, getting ready. I love getting ready. I need to go to the bank because I have to change my debit card. The debit card that I have right now, it doesn't work for international transactions, so I think I need to upgrade. No, I don't know. I don't think it's called upgrade, but I think I need to apply for new MasterCard or Visa card. And I've never been to bank before. और मुझे नर्वस हो रही है. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं वाइवा देने जा रही हूँ. बिकॉज व्हाट डू पीपल डू वंस दे एंटर द बैंक? मैं एंट्री करूँगी और मैं क्या बोलूँगी? कौन रहेगा उधर? आई डोंट नो. आई एम सो नर्वस. आई हेट इट बट इट्स गोइंग टू बी गुड. आई होप आई डोंट एक्ट डम देयर. बट व्हाटएवर इट इज, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. बट लेट्स डू अ हॉल, अ थ्रिफ्ट हॉल. And by the way, the pant which I thrifted few days back, उसको मैंने टेलर को दे दिया alter करने के लिए. Now I have few stuffs which I got एक thrift shop से. So first I got this red top. It's from Forever 21 और इसमें ना एक रोज था बहुत बड़ा सा गला में, but I didn't like it, so I just removed it. Next I have a black top, a full sleeve top. I don't know if you guys can see or understand. Next one, this is my favorite because this was a XXL shirt और shit गिर गया. Okay, XXL shirt और इसके मैं और मेरी friend थी और हम दोनों ने decide किया था कि उसको कुछ करेंगे. And then I took it to her and उसने मेरे लिए sharing कर दिया. And this is so cool. I don't know. I cannot wait to wear them. That's all. That's it. That was the end of my haul. Now let's go to the bank. I think Chartered Bike has upgraded its seat and it's so much more comfortable. Good job, Chartered Bike. 5-star to you. Proud of you. I went inside the bank and this man was like, you can apply online for that. And I'm like, yeah, I know I can apply online, but the thing is जो मेरे फ़ोन में login नहीं हो रहा है वो ऐप में, वो बैंक का ऐप में. And then he asked me to fill a form. तो मैंने फॉर्म देखा, मैंने फॉर्म लिया and मैंने लोगों को देखा कि इतना लंबा लाइन में था. And I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'll apply online फिर से. I'll try again, but there's no way I'm gonna wait here. So मैंने फॉर्म लेके आया धूप से बचने के लिए. एटलीस्ट कुछ तो काम हुआ ये पेपर का. Got my groceries. Now I think I will get coffee. sun is almost about to set. It's 4:30 p.m. and I think I need to end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next vlog.